Gurpreet covered this function. So I will recap this, and then I will cover nested if, then if function, then or function, then and function, and then is function. So really these functions are very important for your day-to-day life. If you will learn this function, then you can apply these all formulas in your practice or in your day-to-day life or in your data, right? So again I will suggest you, please do the practice. If you will not do any practice by your own, then it will not fruitful for you and for me. So practice is must for everyone. I will share all the practice file with all of you and this PPT. So please practice after this session. Okay? Please keep your mute if you are not mute. So guys, I am starting from if function. Yesterday you learned if function. Gurpreet covered this. The if function is one of the most popular function in Excel. If function allows you to make logical comparison between a value and what you expect. So if there is any condition, then if comes into the picture. Guys, please keep your mute yourself. Okay. So is there any condition? Suppose I'm telling this, if you will do this, then you will get this, else you will not get. Means there is a condition. If you will pass the condition, then you will get. If you will fail in this condition, then you will not get. Right. So where is the logic? Where is the condition? Then if function comes into the picture. As the statement of the if function is, every formula start from equal sign. So once I'm applying any formula in the Excel, I need to put equal sign in the cell and then follow the formula. Then equal sign, if bracket open, then logical test, what I'm testing. If the function, my logical test is passed, then value will return, result will return as a true, else result will return as a false. See this picture. This is the location, temperature, and this and the freeze. So what my condition is, if B2 is less than or equal to 32, then it will show yes, else it will show no. So B2 is 75, which is greater than 32. It means my condition is fail, then result is no. Now I am coming on the Excel file. See, what is my condition? My condition is B2 is less than or equal to 32. I am applying the formula. Then I put the equal sign in the cell and then if. Once I type if, then I get this one. Hit tab. Once you hit tab on your keyboard, then it will ask me the logical test. What you need to test. Then I am giving the condition, if B5 is less than or equal to 32, then it show yes, and here it is noticed. Then whenever you are putting any text, then you need to put the double inverted commas over here, right? Code in double quote, right? Then else it show no. Okay, hit enter. Again it is showing no because B5 value is greater than 75. Now I am applying this formula all the B5, B6, C. B6 is 18, which is less than 32. Then it is the result is coming yes. Again, row number 7 is 86, which is again greater than 32. The result is coming no, then yes. So the condition, where condition is passed, it is reflecting the result as yes. Where condition is fail, it is reflecting the result is no. So I hope it is very important formula and you will practice it. Again, see this data set. Here the student's name and gender and score. So I need to populate the result as a pass or fail. So my condition is populate column D to return pass if the score in column C is greater than or equal to 60, otherwise return fail. What I will do? I will First I will start from equal sign, then I will apply the formula if, hit tab. Once I open the bracket, then I will give the condition. Means my condition is if C values is greater than or equal to 60, then result will populate as pass, else fail. And bracket close, hit enter, it's passed. Means the condition, the score is 90, means score is greater than 60, then it is showing pass. I am applying this formula for all. Now where score is greater than 60, it is showing pass, but here score is 52 which is less than 60, then it is showing fail. Again pass, pass, pass. So there is the result where it fail. There are only two numbers which is less than 60, 52 and 59. Then 52 and 59 is uh, not more than 60, then it is showing fail. Okay, so it was the recap of your previous session. Now I am starting from nested if. Nested if means I am applying if condition multiple times. In one formula, I will apply if condition in multiple times. Now, see this statement equal to if B2 is less than 40, then result would be cold. Else, again, if B2 is greater than 80, then result will hot, and else mild. So, in this one line, I am applying if condition multiple times. Then it called nested if. Again, I will start from equal sign, then if, bracket open. What I am giving the condition? My condition is B2 is less than 40, then it will show as cold. Double quote. Else, again if condition, bracket start, B2 again is greater than 80, then it will show hot. Else, result will come as mild. Now, there is open bracket, we will count, it is 1 and then 2, then I will close 2 times the bracket and hit enter. Once I will hit enter, it will give me the result. See, 75 mild, which is not 40 or 80. It is not less than 40 or it is not greater than 80. It is 75. Then my condition was if B5 means the value is less than 40 or greater than 80, then it will come cold or what. If the condition is not passed, else it will show result as mild. Then it is showing mild. Now here it is less than 40, which is 18. Now it is showing cold. It is value of B7 is greater than 80, then it is showing hot. So it called nested if. We can apply multiple if in a one formula, then it's called nested if. Okay. This one. If the score is greater than 350, then grade would be populated as A. If the score is greater than 300, then score is populated as result as populated as B in grade. If the score is greater than 250, then it is populated as C. Again, it is the condition of nested if. See the formula bar over here, it is called as formula bar. That's why I'm calling that. See the formula bar. Where is my mouse? My mouse pointer are there. So again, it is the applying is equals to then if, then again the condition is F18 means total is greater than or equal to 350, then it will populate A. Then if F18 value is greater than or equal to 300, then grade would be B. And again, if value is greater than 250 or equal to 250, then it will result will come as C, else fail. Then I apply this one. I will give this the practice for you. You please practice on these formulas, then you will learn better way. I will give you this file. So where I apply nested if, then I can apply ifs condition. Let's come to my PPT. I cover if function, then I cover nested if. Now it's time to cover if function. What is if function? Instead of using if multiple time, means instead of using nested if, we can use if function. So the statement of the if function is, again, start from equal sign, type ifs, then start bracket, then I'll give the first condition. My first condition is value is less than 40, then it will come cold. Again, the condition is, my second condition is the value is greater than 40, then it will come mild. And again, my third condition is value is greater than 80, then it will come hot. I will show on my Excel file, then it will best for you. Coming on my Excel file. Yes. Yes. So here is three conditions with me. I am applying the if formula over here. Again, I am starting from equal sign. Then I will type IFS ifs. Bracket start. Asking me logical test 1. So what is my logical test? My logical test is this value is less than 40, then it is my logical test 1. Then comma, asking me value if true. If my logical value, the logical condition is true, then what would be the result? So I am giving, if it is true, it will come as cold. Then comma, again it is asking me logical test 2. My logical test is again B5 value is greater than 40, then result as show mild. It is my second condition. Now I am giving the third condition, which is asking me logical test 3. Again, my third condition is the value is greater than 80, then result will populate as hot. Bracket close, enter. So check, it is 75. Value is 75. Temperature is 75, which is great. B5 is greater than 40. 75 is greater than 40. Then its result is mild. I am applying this formula for all cells. See, the result is cold just because of less than 40. Value is, temperature is less than 40, it is 18, then it is showing cold. Here 86, which is greater than, please keep your mouth mute. Yes, thank you. uh, it is 86, which is greater than 80, then it is showing hot. Can anyone tell me the formula is correct, or you can catch me where is wrong?
I think greater than 80 should be hot.
Actually, there is a conflict that B5 is greater than 40 and B5 is greater than 80. So whenever we write down 96 or 100, so might be it will take mild first, because you have written B greater than 40. So 96 also greater than 40. Na? So here system is getting confused that it should take mild or it should take hot, because
Yes,
96 is greater than 80 as well, and 96 is greater than 40 as well.
exactly.
Yeah.
Good catch. So again, I'm typing this. If logical test 1 P5 is less than 40, right, then value will come as cold. Then P5 value is greater than 60, then show as mild. Apply this one first. Check. Oh, mild. See, 75, which is greater than 60, it's showing mild. Again, 40 less than 40, it is showing cold. Okay. So the if function, we can apply multiple condition at a time in the if function, right? Here you can see one more data set with me. First condition is score is greater than or equal to 350, then grade is A. Score is greater than or equal to 300, then B. If score is greater than or equal to 250, then grade C, else fail. So I apply this one uh, if condition. I'm applying here. If logical test 1 is grade is greater than 350 or equal to 350, then grade is A. Again, the logical test is 300. Then as B, if this total value is greater than or equal to 250, then C. Check. So it is greater than 350, then it is showing as A. It is greater than again 350, showing as A. It is greater than 300, or then it is the grade is showing B. Now it is coming an A because there is no condition I gave, so it is giving me the NA. I will cover this NA is error function in the coming slides. So it's the ifs condition. I will give you all this file to you. Please practice. Again, I am coming at my uh, PPT. Now I covered if function. Now and again it is a logical operator or logical function. So AND function is a pre-made function in Excel which returns either true or false based on two or more conditions. So in this function, the statement is again it will start from equal sign, then AND, then logical one, then logical two, and all. So it is my data set. I will show you on my Excel sheet, and what would be the result come after the apply the formula. So I put as equal sign and d5 equal to no. Again the condition is c5 equal to 0, then true. Means in this AND function all conditions should be true. All conditions should be passed. Then it will come as a true. Let's come at my Excel. Okay. My condition is AND. I apply formula AND d5 equals to no, d5 is equals to no, and c5 equals to 0. If both condition is met, then it will true. Otherwise, if any one condition is not met, it will show it or it will give the result as a false. Check here. And once I type AND or hit tab button, then it will come as the logical one. It is asking me as a logical one. What is my logical one? My logical one is d5 value is equals to no. Then logical 2 is c5 value is equals to 0. Then what would be? See, it is true. I am applying this formula for all cells. Now see, it is coming. Result is coming as false. Why? Because d6 is yes, and I give the condition as it should be no, but it is yes. So there is one condition is not met. Once AND function, if there is any one condition is not met, then result will come as false. If all condition will met in AND function, then the result will come as true. Got it? This is the AND function. It is very important, and I will apply AND function with if. So if you will apply AND function with if, so it is very helpful or very powerful formula. Okay. So first I will cover after that uh, OR function. Same AND function. Here is OR function. OR function is a pyramid function in Excel which returns true, else false based on two or more conditions. The statement of OR function is equal to logical 1 then logical 2. Again, in AND function, all conditions should be met, but in OR function, there is only one condition should be met. If any one condition is meeting, then result would be true, else result will come false. See on Excel, I am applying equal sign, then followed by OR and open the bracket. I'll give the condition F5. F5 is equal to rain. Okay, then F5 equal to rain and E5 equal to mild, then value will come true, else false. Check. Or I am giving the condition F6 equal to rain. And my second condition would be E6 equals to mild. Bracket close, enter, check. E5 is mild and D5 is no. Sorry. F6, F5 is none and E5 is mild. Means any one condition is matching here because E5 value is mild, and I'll give the for condition if E5 is equal to mild or F5 is rain, then it will true. So in this OR function, the difference between AND or OR function, in AND function all conditions should be met, and in OR function there is only one condition should be met. That is the difference between OR or AND function. Again, I will apply this OR function in my if condition, if formula, then my OR if formula will more powerful for Excel. Okay, I will apply. Let's check what is. Again, I will cover not operator. It is not operator or it is a sign of not operator. So what is not operator? The not function is an Excel is logical function. The function helps check if one value is not equal to another. Means again you are testing this, not it is not equal to not equal to this, then this, otherwise this. Check not equal to not, c5 equal to 0. If c5 is not equal to 0, then it will come true, else false. I'm coming at my Excel file. See, not bracket open, c5 is equals to 0. Check, c5 is equals to 0. So what I'm trying to check in this function, I'm trying to check if c5 is not equal to 0. That means c5 is not equal to 0. Again c5 is 0, then the result is coming false. If c5 is not equal to 0 means is in any value like 2.3 here, the result is coming true. So instead of typing not, I can apply this one, means c5. Now I am giving the sign of not equal to, it is sign of not equal to operator 0, then result will come same, false false, then true, because this value is not equal to 0, then it is coming true. It is very helpful. If you are not applying the formula or you are not typing not, then you can put the sign of not, it will give the same value, right? Check. Again I will apply if with if formula. Check, if not c5 is equals to 0, then result will come as wait, again else result will come as try. See, if now I am applying not condition, c5 is equals to 0, okay, then it is my logical condition for if. What will result? Result will come as wait, else result will come as try. Check. So here it is try, wait. Just because of value is 2.3 in the cell C8, it is not equal to 0, then it is coming as wait. So you can apply this not function in your if condition. Again, if right, I am giving the condition this and giving the sign of not equal to 0 instead of typing not, then same result will come as wait, else result will come as try. Check, I am applying all the cells now. Wait. So either you can apply not or you can apply the sign of not, both are same. It is not operator, right? It is not operator. Now so I will show you the end with if condition, with if formula, then I will cover is function. So first I will cover this one, is function, is number. So in is functions I can check the multiple conditions over here. Here is number. What is it? This number is check whether a value is a number or text. So if I'm checking whether my data in my data all are number or not, then I'm applying is number. What will the statement of this is number? Then again it will start from is number then reference the value cells where is value and enter. Check is number. Once I will put the equal sign and is, I will you will see multiple is function, is blank, is error, is a one, is formula, is logical, is any, is not text, is number, is odd, and so on. Check. These are all is function. So I will cover here is number, is text, is error, is blank, again is error, is a one, is odd, is any, and all. So is number. I'm checking here is number is then number. Now I'm giving my cell reference is C2. Check it is number or value text. If it is number, then result will come as a true, else false. Okay, it's true means my cell reference in this value, my in this reference cell's value is number. Again, I'm checking is number, cell's value is this, and check it is false just because of it is text, it is not value. If I will put the value in the cell range T2, I'll give 10, then it will come true. Or here I will see any text like false, then it will false because I am checking it is number or text. Okay, so it is number. Now is text. Then in is text, check whether a value is text or number. Again, I am applying is once I hit equal sign and is, then there is so many is text. I'm taking is text. Then what is cell reference is this and close bracket and then enter. Again it is showing false just because of this is number not text, and is text this one. Yes, it's text. So here this is the very small data set. If you have a huge data and you are just need to check these are text or these are number, then it is very helpful for you. Okay, now I'll cover is error. Again, equals to sign and type is error, which is here. Keep the reference, close bracket, enter. It is not an error. The error, there is an error sign is like this. So it is a value. It is not an error. That's the reason it is the result is showing false. Right? Now I'm checking is error, and this one check reference this, close bracket and enter. Yes, it is an error. It is an error. If I will type any text or value, suppose this one, then it will come to false because it is not an error. Again, I'm typing in a value. Yes, again it is show the result will come as a false just because of it is not an error. Why? I will give the NA or give the error over here, then result will come as true. So is error, right? Then is blank. Again, in the name of the formula is blank means if the value is blank or not, it is asking me. So again, I am typing the formula is blank. Check the condition, it is blank or not. And this, yes, it is not blank because there is a value like number, sales, and all, anything. But if there is nothing or it is blank, then the condition will pass as true. Check is blank. Yes, it is blank or not. I'm checking. Yes, it is blank. Okay. See, is error. Again, above formula is error, but here is error. So apart from hash na, there is any other uh, error, then we can check with is error formula. Cosine is error. Check this one. It is false. Again, it is yes, it is an error, but except any error, it will come true. Check here. Is error. Again, it is error like value. It is true because yes, it is error apart from hash na. And check second one is error. This one, yes, it is true. So we can find if there is multiple error in our data, we can find that it is error or not, or it is hash na error, or apart from hash na error, we can apply this is error or is error, right? Now, if there is in my data set odd or even number given, and I just want to check that number is even or number is odd, then is even or is odd comes into the picture. Check is even, giving this one. Check yes, it's even number. If I will check the value of this cell like 5, yes, it is not even number. So suppose I have huge data set like this, then I need to check how many are even or how many are odd, then I can apply this one is even this. So true values are even number, false are odd number. Check, and false are odd, vice versa. Yes. So it is a very small data set, but yes, if you have huge data set, then you can apply this formula or this function is function. Then same as odd is odd. Odd. Sorry. So it's vice versa. Check false condition, false one. These are even, not odd, and true. These are odd number, not even. Okay. Now last one is NA. Give the value. Yes, it is not a NA. Give the cell reference this one. Yes, it is NA. So we can apply these all is function or more. Once you will put is, then you will find here a number of is operator. You can apply this by your own or do practice in this weekend, then it will really good for you. Or if you will make a practice, then uh, what else? Check. Okay. Yes, I covered all the topics.